And then pick the brand.
Louis Vuitton.
And then pick the material.
Yes.
And then, so basically, ang entropy po kasi, this one has microscopic lens that zooms in 260 times. So, yung first, yung first part niya is taking a picture with the Apple device lang. Tapos yung the second one is the microscopic lens. So, if you click that one,
This one.
yes. So, you need to separate the device. Hiwalay niyo po. Pwede pong hiya. So, you take a picture with that one po. Continue. So, it's showing you what are the pictures. So, it's showing sa upper right. You need to take a picture of the whole bag.
Oh, okay. Even with the shadow?
Yes po. Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Yung square po, yung blue one. Yung square, screen po, yes.
Yeah.
And then, after that one, next.
Next. Sorry.
Next. So, now it's the date code. So, if you open this one, there's actually
the code.
The date code here. If you take a picture.
Where is it? There.
Yeah, you can turn on the...
I see.
Yes.
Sorry, I didn't.
You can do a retake. You want to make sure na nandito siya sa ano. Is it dark? Maybe do the light, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So is it nicely?
I think it's clear.
Yeah, so it's clear.
Next.
So the date code, you have to input it.
Okay.
So
Enter all the digits.
Para hindi
How do I do it?
Continue.
Continue.
And then you type the date code.
Sorry, cannot.
LM.
Capital ba? LM
1003.
LM 1003. Okay.
And then done.
Done.
So yung SKU is kahit ano,
Next.
kunwari media or Philippines.
Philip. PH. Done. Next.
Yeah, next. So ngayon it's the lens, the microscopic lens. So you attach it po.
Oh, magnetic. And
Yeah, continue.
a capture?
Yeah. So now it would show yung continue po. It would show that you're being asked to continue po.
Capture the outer.
So yung outer material, yes. So ididikit niyo po.
Okay.
Tapos yung dikit, yan. Yes. So that one zooms in 260 times. Continue. So asking for the Louis Vuitton logo.
Okay. How do I...
Sa, dito po. Baba niyo po. Kailangan siya idikit yan. And then, next, sa inner fabric naman po sa loob. So, kailangan flat siya. Anywhere
This one?
sa red one. The fabric. As in, lay it flat.
Capture.
Yeah. Next. Tapos yung next is yung the logo. Ito kasi gamit na. There's a leather logo there. Makikita niyo. Ay, sorry. Retake. Meron po.
So you have to
find it. Sandali lang po. Saan ba yun?
there.
Kahit baliktad. Louis Vuitton. Ayan. Kahit nabubura-bura na siya, pwede siya. Next. Tapos yung urong niyo siya ng konti to the left.
Okay, sorry.
Yung kanina, saan siya?
To the left.
Ayan, hanapin mo yung Vuitton. Ayan.
There.
Ayan. And then next. And then Paris.
Saan yung...
Sa baba.
baba.
Sa taas po ng konti.
There.
Ayan.
Oo nga.
Kung bago yung bag, of course, mas madali. Tapos zipper, continue po. Skip kasi wala tayong zipper.
Walang zipper.
So, skip sa taas.
Skip.
So, ngayon, scroll niyo po lahat ng mga tinake niyo na picture to double check. Pag wala na pong problem, just hit submit. AI na po yung gumagalaw dyan.
Authentic.
Tapos you can tap the certificate.
That's nice.
Yun na yung Wi-Fi. But it would download the certificate and yun yung mga pinipit ng mga resellers po to actually that's the one you authenticated. And then you can always check share it, print it. Then you can check the authenticity using the QR code. Printing po namin, kasi minsan diba, pinapalit, sinaswap ng mga tao. Ano lang siya, register and compare. Sorry, kailangan siya mas malapit.
Okay.
Pwede nating ato. So, register. So, i-register natin. So, kunwari ngayon, sulat natin, entropy table. Ayan po yung nakalagay, diba? So, next, ang mangyayari, kunwari, ito yung binenta or ito yung skinan, kukuha lang tayo ng mga some parts, like for example, like that. Pag nag-green na siya, i-register natin. Tapos, pwede pa tayo maglagay ng another item. Let's say, kunwari, itong Chanel na logo. Pag nag-green na siya, yan. So, tapos na. Register. Yun lang. Ang mangyayari, kunwari, binalik or sasabihin niya na sasabihin ng consumer na, uy, fake yung binenta mo sa akin, ito yung binalik. So, kapag kunwari ako yung nagbebenta, gagawin ko lang is compare. Susulat ko yung code kanina, entropy table. Papalitan. Ito yung ni-register natin, ha? So, yung kanina po natin na pinicturan, na-download nyo siya anytime. So, ito, matcha-check. So, ipapatong mo lang siya doon. Tapos verify. Ito, 100% AI. So, ngayon, ang mangyayari is yung AI po, magko-compare and contrast. I-analyze niya po ang lalabas ng match. Kasi hindi siya
yun. Hindi siya same.
match.
Kahit original din yung isa.
Pero, ko-compare ko yung item ulit. This time, yung tama na po na item. Same. Siguro, medyo, yan, hindi siya saktong-sakto. Verify. Ang lalabas dyan is match. Kasi it's the same, exact same item.
I have so much to tell you about those kind of people. I know all of them.
Galing. So, ang makikita niyo po yung sa details, yung sa taas po, yung picture na re-register natin. Yung sa baba po is yung comparison, yung pangalawang picture na kunwari bumalik yung item. So, ito yung reason. Kala kasi nung iba na, kasi ang entropy kapag nagkamali kami, we pay back kung magkano yung binili nila. Kala nila pwede dayain. Sasasabihin nila na, uy, entropy binigay niyo sa amin. Binigay niyo sa amin kung magkano yung binili namin sa bag na yan. Hindi nila alam na this one, we have this technology.
Nobody knows this.